I've ever faced. He is my constant, my safe place. When I'm broken and when I'm weak, He is my comfort and my peace. Oh, the deep, deep love of Jesus, how He kindly tends my soul. In my praise and in my failures, His arms are open wide. Oh, the deep, deep love that I know. You hold me and you told me I'm made holy because of Jesus. You have spoken, I am chosen. What great love, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. You hold me and you told me I'm made holy because of Jesus. You have spoken, I am chosen. What great love, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, the deep, deep love of Jesus, how He kindly tends my soul. In my praise and in my failure, His arms are open wide. Oh, the deep